Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Kids on Amazon Fire Tablet. Now, the main problem with Amazon Fire Tablet is it doesn't contain any Google applications. So it doesn't have the Play Store app. You only have the App Store from Amazon itself. And when you try to open the App Store from Amazon and search for YouTube Kids, you will find only this application, which is not the official app and it is not from Google itself. And now to solve this problem, you will have to first go to settings. Then after going to settings, you will have to go to security and privacy. And now you will have to scroll down till you find this option, apps from unknown sources. Tap on it. Then you will find the Silk browser, which is the only browser that you have on your Fire tablet. Just click on it. Then it will show you this page. Now you will have to make sure that this option is toggled on. Allow from the source, toggle it on. Then what you should do right now is to simply open the Silk browser and search for Play Store APK, or search for how to install Play Store on your Amazon Fire. And once you install it, you will now have to just open the Play Store and you will have to search for YouTube Kids and you will find the official application from Google itself. Then click on install and here you are. This is the method. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.